everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel and VBA Learnings. In this video we will see what VBA is, how to add or remove developer tab on an Excel, and how to open a VBA window. These are the three basic things that we are going to see in today's video. Okay, so let's get started with it. Now, what is VBA? VBA is nothing but a Visual Basic for application. Okay, VBA, full form for VBA is Visual Basic Application, and it's a programming language that has been developed by Microsoft. So this is a programming language. Okay, so and VBA is also, VBA is used to develop an Excel. I mean, to develop a program that controls our Excel files, like to do automations. That is why we can use to do automations. We use a VBA. Okay, so that, I mean, VBA is a tool that we use to develop programs to control Excel. Like if we maintain our data on Excel, and every day I don't need to copy paste it in a different tab. What I can do is I can just go ahead and use the Visual Basic application and create a macro which does the job for me automatically. So this is what VBA is. Okay, so to have VBA, I mean, to use VBA or to open a window of VBA, what we need is we need a developer tab in our Excel file. What we need is a developer tab on an Excel ribbon. So where it comes, so here you can see this part is known as the ribbon part. So we have option as home, insert. So here we have an option known as developer tab. Okay, so if we have that developer tab, we can go ahead and use macros, or we can go ahead and use a Visual Basic application. So how to do that? Now, I don't have any developer tab added on this ribbon. So what I'll do is I'll go to this office button. I'll click on that office button. I have an Excel option. I'll click on that Excel option, and in this I'll click on popular, and I have show developer tab in the ribbon. So what I'll do is I'll just click it and I'll click OK. So here we go. You can see here I have a developer tab activated on my ribbon now. So this is how we can go ahead and add a developer tab on our ribbons. Okay, so once you add the developer tab, you get a lot many options. You have Visual Basic, you have macros, you have record macros, macro security, you have insert option. So these functions we are going to see in our next video, how to use this function and what all things we can do with all these functions. So this is under developer tab. So what we'll do is we'll go to this office button, Excel option, popular. If this checkbox is clicked, that means you have a developer tab. If you unchecked it, you click OK, your developer tab will go away. So this is how you can go ahead and add a developer tab on your Excel ribbon. Okay, and next is how to open a VBA window. Now, once you add a developer tab, a developer button here, you have option here as Visual Basic. All right, if you just go ahead, and I just kept the mouse, it's giving you a shortcut key that is Alt F11. So what you can do is you can just press this Visual Basic. This window will be open. Okay, this is the window that is open, and what you can do is, again, if you want to use a shortcut key, what you can do is you can use Alt F11. The same window will be open. So this is how you can go ahead and open Visual Basic for application. Okay, so this is how your Visual Basic application looks like. Okay, so what you can do is, after opening this, you can go ahead and click on whichever sheet you like, and you can go ahead and start recording and start creating your own macros. So this is what a Visual Basic is. We will go ahead and see how to create a macros, what this properties, and how we can use this properties into VBA. That we'll see in our next video. Hope you like my video, and please comment below. Thank you so much.